Well, we're at Downham Market at the garden centre. Just had coffee and scones, cheese scones, and we're on our way to Cromer. And with the sun shining but cold wind. Lovely blue skies. Wow, look at these. Yeah. It's windy though, it's blowing the banner about.
Yeah, it's like this sort of east wind.
Colours again for the woodland. Just been past RAF Mahara. Didn't see any aeroplanes. More nice trees. Certainly autumn through here. Cromer, gem of the Norfolk coast. Church. We go straight down, don't we? Don't normally do this. Coast bit. It's all new. There's a brewery along here. See on this corner. Poppyland Craft Beers and Gins. for one van.
Bun's not here, so I presume she's been
Yep. So this is the campsite. And here's our accommodation, and the van parked outside, and we're near Sheffield Park. Oh, I just got to get some stuff out of the van. And this is our accommodation for the next 7 nights and days. Right, so we have 2 settees, central heating, we have roses, freshly cut, biscuits, coffee, milk in the fridge, chocolate chip muffins, milk and water, right, and this is our accommodation, and it's about £100 more than a campsite is for 7 nights, and we've got central heating, TV, Wi-Fi, 2 settees, full kitchen area, bedroom. Oh, hello. Let me leave the door. And then we've got ensuite.
Is the van done?
Yeah, I'm coming down and get the luggage out. Put this down. Shower. Toilet. Wash basin. Look at this. Towels you don't get on a campsite. Absolutely perfect. Hello. Just moved the Mazda Bongo to our personal parking spot, and just like magic, just like that, magic. No trouble, dear. It's certainly bracing is the word. There's a white boat out there. Yeah. Busiest I've seen it in a long time, this time of year, because normally we have it to ourselves, don't we? Yeah. Lovely, isn't it? Just like magic. 10 o'clock we're at home.
It's 2 o'clock we were here, weren't we?
2 o'clock we're in Cromer. 2:45 we're almost on the beach, on the pier. Fantastic. A new tractor. Look. Look, this one. Oh, I don't suppose it isn't new. I suppose it's been refurbished. Yeah, they're normally like that one there. Yeah. No chips? It's some big waves, but it's not too bad, is it?
Not over the top, are they?
No. No, not over the sea defences anyway. See it down there, not even coming over the concrete bits, are they? Let's have a look.
I think it's going out.
It's nice because it's in the sun. Yeah. That breeze is chilly, isn't it?
Yeah. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Probably quite bad out.
What we're thinking is walking round the pier into the town, get some money out, because this little person here wants a Chinese tonight.
Sit in the warm.
Sit in the warm and have the telly on.
Yeah.
That boat's moved, so it's not cut out, cardboard cut out.
No,
Put there. It's a real boat. Yeah.
Very bright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
The pier's very bright as well. Really long shadow. Can't see light. There's people in there. Oh, there's loads in there. Sheltering from the wind. Oh yeah, they've got some holes. It looks like there's steel girders going in, Jane. Look at the size of that. See it? That steel girder. Yeah, there's a winch there. This is the side which gets a real battering, doesn't it? Do you want to buy the pier? Yeah, it was for sale at one point. Was it £1 or something?
I think so.
Yeah, it's no. Lifeboat station's locked up. Yeah, no, it's not bad at all. There's people fishing. It's quite sheltered here, Joe. Look at the sun shining off the water. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Right, so we're going to go in the town, get some dosh. Co-op probably. Try to be romantic and trying to get a candle going. Matches don't work. Anyway, you can't do. Anyway, you can't easily do this when you're in a camper van. Look at the size of my glass. Look at that. You're giving up. Wandering Dragon, egg fried rice, and what have you got?
King prawn chow mein.
King prawn chow mein and extra
Chinese vegetables.
Chinese vegetables, and we've just had, what was it?
Sweet and sour soup.
Sweet and sour soup and a spring roll. Oh, delicious.